After eating chicken like this, I don't want to try anything else. For this recipe, let's start seasoning 2 chicken breast fillets with the juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, then stir. Tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. In a frying pan, add olive oil and then all the chicken to fry. When one side is done, flip it over to fry the other side and then set aside. Now in another pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and stir. Also add 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 cups of milk little by little and stir until smooth. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, I love chicken. Next, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese, fine herbs to taste, and stir. After that, place the chicken in the sauce, cover, and let cook for 10 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Now you can just enjoy it. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and super delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!